Hi everyone, I'm Nick from TIRAPID Precision Machining, based in southern China's Great Bay Area. Are you looking for a reliable and fast turnaround supplier for your custom CNC parts? At TIRAPID, we specialize in prototype CNC machining and low-volume custom parts built to your exact specification. We offer a full range of CNC services, include milling, turning, drilling, tapping, EDM, and wire cutting. We work with over 30 types of engineering plastics and almost every type of metal, from early stage prototyping to small batch production. Our CNC machining ensures your team can test the look, function, and material of your design before full-scale manufacturing. Compared to 3D printing, CNC machine parts deliver higher surface quality and can be sandblasted, polished, or anodized to closely resemble or even surplus model parts. Whether you need 10 pieces or 10,000 pieces, TIRAPID offers flexible, efficient service at a competitive price. We follow international tolerance standards. Typical tolerances from plus and minus 0.125 mm to 0 and plus 0.05 mm. Need tighten tolerances? In our temperature-controlled facility, we can achieve 0 or plus 0.01 mm or even plus or minus 0.005 mm, meeting your critical specs. Every part we make is backed by ISO 9001 certified quality management, with detailed production procedures and inspection workflows. From raw material to finished product, we ensure constant quality, part by part, project by project. We invest in technology, explore new materials and process, and maintain a highly skilled manufacturing team to help turn your ideas into reality. So whether you are building your first prototype or ready to scale up, TIRAPID is here to support you with precision, speed, and a commitment to quality. Contact us today for a fast and free quote. Let's build something amazing together. Thank you very much, and we will see you next time.